Sit down. Good bird. Good bird, good bird, good bird. Puppy. Good bird, good bird. Look at her, you did it.
Oh, there's a bird flying. He's probably scared. Probably thought it's an eagle. Eagles are bigger, they can eat other birds. Hello, bye-bye. Hello, bye-bye. Hello. How are you? You love me, I love you.